demolition, the pole position, automatic transmission with the O emissions. I'm a brand new addition to the old edition with the love unconditional. I'm a drama abolitionist, damn no opposition to my proposition. Half of a man, half magician, half a politician, holding the mic like ammunition. And my vision is as simple as light. Ain't no reason we should be in a fight, no demolition. Get to vote to get to say what you like. Procreation, composition already written by itself. Singing heckins for the people not believing in God. Good God, get 'em up way high, give me that high five. Good times, get 'em way down low, and give me that low dough. Good God, bring it back again, give me that high 10. You're the best definition of good intentions. Will you answer a call if you do not know who is calling? I guess the whole point of it all is that we never know really. We're trying to keep with the Joneses, like waiting for Guns and the Roses to finish what we all suppose is the shit so silly. Ooh, that shit so silly. That shit so silly. Bumping and wrist lock, twisting up a wrist lock. Kid Icarus on the transistor. Nintendo giving me the blister. I bend over, take it in the kisser. Best friends are hitting on my sister. Try to tell them that they still a wish her, cause she already got herself a mister. And besides, that squirrel don't wanna diss her. I didn't I say that shit's so silly? I do not keep up with statistics, I do not sleep without a mistress. I do not eat unless it's fixed with some kind of sweet vodka licorice. My home is deep inside the mystics, I'm known to keep digging on existence. I'm holding in the heat like a fish stick. My phone it beeps because I missed it. I do not answer the calling, do not know who you are, making no sense of it all. Say, can I get a witness? I'm only a boy in a story, just a hallucinatory, tripping on nothing there is, living in the wilderness. Tiger spot on my back, living life of a cat. I just wanna relax here and write another rap tune. Driving off on a blind man's bike, I can say just what I like, oh nothing to stop you. Give me that high five. Good times, get 'em way down low. Give me that low dough. Good God, bring it back again. Give me that high 10. You're the best definition of good intention.